This is my favorite time of the year to make soap. The holidays just give me so much inspiration. Whether it's the smells, the decorations, the food, or even the weather. I get so excited to make Christmas-themed soaps. I'm calling this one Frosted Cranberries, and I was really hoping to achieve some cranberry and wine colors. It's not easy to find micas that are quite the right colors, but it's so much fun to mix them up until you get them. The fragrance has notes of tart cranberry, warm cinnamon, spicy clove, and sweet mandarin orange. I swear every time I smell this bar, it just makes my nose so happy. For the design, I wanted to do 3 different layers. I did a darker wine color, followed by a cranberry color and a white. I then took a hanger tool and I ran it straight up and down to get some swirls through each layer. It drags each layer through each other. It's been a while since I've done a design like this, but I have to say it's one of my favorite techniques. I can't wait to show you guys the cut, but I'm totally obsessed with cranberry everything right now. I even made my own homemade cranberry sauce for the first time this past Thanksgiving. On top goes some cranberry seeds and some soap that hopefully resembles some cranberries. How gorgeous is the top of this? I swear I say that with every soap. But this one is just too pretty to cut. But we're going to do it anyway, of course. What's not to love about this bar? Seriously. I love the colors, the fragrance, the design, the top, the inside. I love it all. I love it so much that I even want to do a whole series of soap with this swirl technique in it. If you want to purchase the bar, because they make great stocking stuffers, head on over to lunafaecreations.com.